Hey YouTubers, welcome back to our Desert Have a Garden. Today we are working with tomatillos. So tomatillos have a really nice camouflage into the plant, but you can see their fruits here. So in order to harvest them, you want to make sure that they are at their full potential. And so this variety actually is really easy because it is an Amarillo tomatillo, so they are actually yellow. And that one fell right off right as I pulled it. So let me show you. So when they are ready, the husks will get, let me adjust the focus there. The husks will get kind of papery and hard, and the tomatillos turn yellow on the inside in here. Now here is a green one in the leaves there. And another way to tell is when the husks are full. So they start to burst open. And this one, there's still some give. I don't know if you can see that. When I press it, it folds in.
I think I ate a green one.
Okay, so we're looking for the tomatillos that are yellow or that are bursting out of the papers. And this one is nice and yellow. And it's starting to open up. So you just tug them off gently. And when they're super ready, they come off really easy. They almost fall. And it's okay if they've fallen on the ground. You can pick those up and harvest those as well. I don't see any others down here in the mulch. Over here, I think there's a little one on the ground.
Don't get that.
Excuse me. Here's some in the bowl that we've harvested. A bunch of those, so let's look over here. Oh, did someone just grab it? No, there it is. The little one. That's a little guy.
There's a crack in it.
Okay. Oh, we've got some more back here. Let's see, I see a yellow one right there. All right, so tomatillos really make a great enchilada sauce, or they can also be used really in any of your Mexican dishes. They really add a nice like lemony or lime flavor.
This one was alive.
And so we like to have them a lot. That one's not ready. You see it's still small in there. If you could feel it, you would feel that there's a little ball in there, but it's not quite developed yet. So we're looking around. Finding any more over there, guys?
I found two.
Oh, let's see. Oh yes, those are good. Do you want to put them in the bowl?
That was not good.
That one's good. See, it's yellow on the inside. You got some more? All right. So we'll just keep on picking the rest of the tomatillos off of these plants. This is actually 3 separate plants here in the garden. I don't know if you can tell the bases apart. So there's still tons of flowers on there, and there's a lot more that are not yet right. So we should be having a really nice harvest of tomatillos for a while to come. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates in the future.